Meaning of Gordian knot.
Gordian knot.
Gordian knot.
Gordian knot.
Gordian knot. The Gordian knot is a figurative term for a complex problem that appears impossible to solve. The term originates from an ancient Greek legend where a knot was tied so tightly that it was impossible to untie with conventional methods. It became a symbol of an intractable challenge, until Alexander the Great famously solved the problem by cutting the knot with his sword. Today, the phrase cutting the Gordian knot is used to describe a bold or unorthodox solution to a difficult problem, often involving a willingness to take decisive action and ignore traditional approaches.